Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start a new chapter from your English activity book. Lesson 5, Celebrating Earth Day. Read and understand. Let us read this poem first. Reduce, reuse, recycle are the words that we all know. We have to save our planet so we can live and grow. We can be only children, but we will try. You will see. And we can save this planet. It starts with you and me. We recycle what we use, separating things, and you should too. Glass and paper, plastic, tin, go in your recycling bin. We must start now. We can't wait. Quick, or it will be too late. So, these lines of the poem gives us a message that how can we save the earth. The mantra of saving our planet earth is reduce the use of plastic. Reuse the things that you already have and recycle the materials that you are having. For example, plastics, paper, tin, they can be used in different forms, such as plastic bottles can be used as your pencil stand. It can be used as a flower pot, or it can be used in form of a small dustbin also. So now let us do the questions that are based on this poem. The first question is, tick the correct answers. The first sentence says, we must save our planet so that we can have fun, recycle things, live and grow. So, according to the poem, which option is correct? Yes, it is live and grow. So, put a tick in front of the correct option. Now, the second sentence says, to help save our planet, we should ride a bicycle, recycle things, live and grow. So students, the correct option is, yes, very good. It is recycle things. So let us put a tick in front of this statement. Now the third sentence says, the effort to save the planet begins with recycling, separating things, you and me. Yes, the effort to save the planet begins with you and me. So let us put a tick. The correct option. Now let us read the fourth sentence. We should begin to reduce, reuse and recycle when we grow big enough. From this very moment, from tomorrow. Now if you will read the poem, you will come to know that the correct option is from this very moment. So we should begin to reduce, reuse and recycle right from now. So the correct option is B part. Now read the next question. Circle the things we can recycle. So dear students, you will read the poem again and the correct answers are hidden in the poem itself. So you will be choosing the correct words which we can recycle, the things which can be used in some other way, some other different way. So you will be putting a circle. Please do this question by yourself. Now let us come to C part. Now the question says, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Now there are 6 words given in the help box. You will be choosing the correct word and write in the given space. So let us read the first statement. Jasleen is very tired. She needs to dash a break. So please look at the options in the help box. Hold, take, crack, make, come, have. So if you will read the sentence again, you will come to know that the correct option is take. Jasleen is very tired. She needs to take a break. So let us write the correct answer in the space. Now the second sentence says, the fairy godmother asked Cinderella to dash a wish. The correct answer is make. The fairy godmother asked Cinderella to make a wish. Now let us read the third sentence. Sabir likes to dash jokes. So the correct option over here is crack. Whenever we say a joke, the correct word used for is crack. So let us write the answer in the given space. So the sentence becomes, Sabir likes to crack jokes. So students, now you will do 4, 5 and 6 by yourself. Now let us read the next question. Match the columns to find pairs of words with similar meaning. Now, if you will see that on left hand side, the very first word is waste. So, on right hand side, find a word which is similar to the meaning of the word waste. So now first of all, let us read the words which are given on the right side. Talk, gift, garbage, enjoyment, anxious. So the word waste and garbage has same meaning. The second word is fun, and the word similar to the meaning of the word fun is enjoyment. When you enjoy something, you have fun. So fun and enjoyment have the same meaning. Third word is present, and the word with the same meaning is gift. Now fourth and fifth part, students, you will do it by yourself. Now for nervous, talk or anxious, which is the same, you will do it by yourself. Speak and From talk or anxious, which word you will choose? Okay, students, now read it carefully, and these two you will be doing it by yourself. Now let us do exercise E. Now since KG class, students, you have been doing rhyming words. So let us do this exercise again. Now you have to say the words in the box aloud. Do they rhyme with very or shy? Write the word in the correct boxes. So start reading the words. Very. Now look at the words which end with letter Y. Now, fly. Does it rhyme with very? No. Now look at the words which end with R, Y. Ferry rhymes with very. So you will write the word ferry in this box under the word very. Then berry, cherry, merry. All these words are rhyming words with the word very. Now the remaining words rhyme with the word shy. Fly, my, spy, sky. All these words are the rhyming words of shy. So you will be writing the correct word in the correct box. So hope you have understood this much only for today. Rest of the questions of this chapter we will be doing it tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.